Okay, boys and girls, put the little ones to bed.
Put the big ones to rest.
Blaze has written. Do you have written approval from your parents, sir, to watch this?
As they say in Germany, das was. I don't know what they say in Germany.
That means kill your neighbor, dude. I'm just kidding.
Get that low angle of me just walking like a big Billy Badass from like Home Alone, you know?
Yeah, sure. Is it busted? I can't see because of the sun. These days are a little different.
Differently.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, be careful. Oh, yeah.
Be careful.
It's not going to blaze. Those little pieces of glass are shattering. Wow. Take that, you TV. I'm trying to guess, is it going to be blue, purple, red?
On the big TV? Not anymore.
Bye-bye. See you later, alligator. After a while, you can crocodile. Folks, back to you. This is for who again?
Eric Flea.
Eric Flea, let's get it.
My brother from Mississippi.
Bye-bye, Viper.